How to remove saved images in ChatGPT on Android. This tutorial shows you how to delete images stored in your ChatGPT account in just a few steps. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on Library or Recent Chats to locate your images. At this point, click on the image, tap or click the three dots, and select Open Chat. In the next step, tap on then Delete in the menu. Following this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Delete to confirm, and the image will be permanently removed from your account. Once done, repeat the same steps for any other images you want to remove. Here's an important note. Deleting saved images from ChatGPT is permanent and cannot be undone. Make sure you've saved any images you want to keep before confirming the deletion. And that's it. If this guide helped you remove saved images in ChatGPT, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.